how to transfer money from Wise to Binance. Hello everyone, if you want to do this method, this is the right video for you. This is a step-by-step tutorial so you can follow easily. Basically, first things first, you want to navigate through your Binance application or your Binance website. From here, you then want to open up your account on Binance, and once inside, you want to click on Buy Crypto. Once inside the Buy Crypto, you can just go ahead and wait for the page to load in, and from here, you want to make sure that you are inside the Buy account. From here, you can then go ahead and see that we are able to buy crypto with Visa and MasterCard. Now, unfortunately, Wise is not operational on my country, so it doesn't appear right here. So the second method in order for you to do this is by navigating through the trade section. From here, you want to click on P2P. This is basically person to person. From here, you can just go ahead and find someone that's willing to accept a Wise payment. All you have to do is to click on buy. Go ahead and select your currency. In my case, I'll select USDT. And from here, you then want to enter your transaction amount. Right after, you then want to click on payments. And from here, you then want to search for Wise. Now, once again, unfortunately, this method is not working on my country. From here, you can just go ahead and select your specific region, and you specifically want to find someone that's willing to accept Wise on Binance. And so if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.